Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you how to run a quick scan and clear codes using your YOUCANIC scanner. Our scanners recently went through a major software update that changed the layout of the quick scan menu, which ultimately made it a lot easier for you all to navigate and use. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you have your VCI connected to your vehicle and the scanner is go into Diagnostics and select your vehicle make from all available vehicles on the list. Alternatively, you can go up here to this VIN icon in the top left and select automatic read or manual entry. Go to Diagnosis, select Quick Scan, and all available units for scan will come up. So you can select them by sections, or you can select individual modules, or you can go down here to select all. And then you just run fault scan. Also note that it runs the scans in the order that you selected the modules. Once the scan is complete, you can go ahead and select individual modules and view fault codes, and you can enter the system this way too. Read the codes specifically, and you can view freeze frame data. And from here you can also clear all codes in that system. If you need help during this process, you can email us at support@youcanic.com, or you can select this pencil symbol on the top of your screen, and this page will appear. From here, you can email an error report to us, and our software development team can look into it for you. And that's it. You've successfully run a quick scan and cleared codes using your YOUCANIC scanner. Again, if you run into problems during this process, feel free to email us at support@youcanic.com. We are always happy to help.